Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the most exciting, hands-on learning toys for kids. And today, we've got something that's a total game changer. Introducing the best creative construction toy kit for imagination, the Creativity for Kids Sensory Bin, Construction Zone Playset. Right out of the box, this sensory bin is packed with everything your little builder needs. You get a reusable storage bin filled with 2.5 pounds of soft, moldable sensory sand. And that's just the beginning. Inside, there's a mini dump truck, a cement mixer, a road roller, shovels, construction signs, traffic cones, and even tiny pebbles. The lid of the bin flips over to become a built-in play surface, creating a complete mini construction site that kids can dig into instantly. Designed for ages 3 and up, this playset offers a powerful combination of sensory play and imaginative storytelling. Kids can scoop, pour, flatten, and construct while engaging their senses and strengthening fine motor skills. And here's the best part, it's screen-free. No batteries, no screens, no noise. Just pure, creative fun that sparks curiosity and independent play. The sand feels soft but holds shape beautifully, allowing for realistic builds and hours of tactile exploration. Plus, it's mess-resistant. Place a towel underneath, and cleanup is a breeze. When the fun is done, everything fits neatly back into the bin. It's compact, easy to store, and perfect for repeated play. Whether it's rainy day entertainment or a go-to travel activity, this set delivers every time. Creativity for Kids has been inspiring young minds since 1976, and with this sensory bin, they've nailed the perfect balance between education and entertainment. So if you're looking for a gift that promotes learning, creativity, and good old-fashioned fun, the Construction Zone Sensory Bin is it. This is more than a toy, it's a mini world of imagination in a box. You've been watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep building those bright futures, one playset at a time.